Hey friends, I am Irmila, and what does our tarot have to say to us today? I have pulled out four cards today. A card for the day, card for emotions or relationships, another card for health, and one card for our abundance or prosperity, as we call it. So today, the card that I have pulled out for the day is King of Swords. Now, this card means that there may be many unresolved issues that need focus today, and you need to focus on those issues, but with a lot of integrity and truth. So, see to the true side of the story as well. Things will be resolved. There will be a lot of people who will be giving you advice in this situation that you are in, for the situation that you are in. So respect their advice. Don't shirk them off or whatever. Understand what they are saying as well. And do not forget to put your opinion also on that matter. So yes, you need to maybe if there are any legal issues or whatever, you need to see to the truth as well, and see the integrity of the situation. So don't take a hasty decision. You need to understand the situation and then work upon it. Our card for today is King of Swords. Now, I have also pulled out, as I said, another card which is for our emotions or our relationships. The card that I have pulled out is Six of Cups. Now, this card means harmony in relationships, good relationships. There will be a lot of, you will be able to, in case there is some kind of an issue that you have had in any relationship, if you work with harmony, you work in understanding with the person, and there will be many issues that will be solved with in regard to love, and in regard to any kind of relationship, or maybe partnerships as well. So solve this problem, or whatever situation that you have got into, with love. If possible, if we can wear yellow today, yellow will be the card for love, will be the color for love. So yes, today is a yellow color for love. If you are going to meet your partner, or going to meet the person you have wanted to always make peace with, so the yellow will help. So if you can wear a yellow color today, it would help. Maybe you will receive an email, you will receive some message, or some kind of a letter from an old friend, old, maybe you don't you have not been in touch with that friend. So yes, there's a lot of a lot of things that are going to happen in your relationships today, and different kind of relationships are going to come to your forefront, which you have not been thinking of. So be open, receptive, and make peace with things or people that you have been shirking off or not understanding. So yes, love card is very good today. Yellow color is the color today for love. So yes, please wear that color, or carry something yellow today with you. The other card that I have removed, or that has just popped out today, was, and this is for finance and prosperity, Ace of Wands. So what does this mean? According to me and tarot, it means you will be very you will be very in power of your finances. You will be able to achieve the finances that you are looking for, or if there is something that you have not seen where your investments are concerned, or something that is not going well with your finances, today is a day where finances will be very good, and you can definitely make a lot of changes in your invest in investments that you've made, in case you want to take a decision about reinvesting or pulling out the money. So you are going to be only in a lot of it's going to be in your favor. So today, take a decision with your finances are going to be up. Your maybe your foundations of the finances that you have made are right, and you will be reaping what you have sowed. So finances are good. There's a blessing from above, and materialistic things would be going your way today. So take a decision with your finances today. Finances, in case that you've given money to somebody and you need it back, today is the right day to ask. Maybe that person will willingly give it. So yes, ask with harmony, definitely, and you will be getting your finances will be in place today. If you just look into the matters, maybe some kind of bank details or whatever you need to look at, please go ahead and see your finances. Today is going to be very good. The other card that I have pulled out is for our health. Now, our health is, we've got this card today, the Hanged Man. Now, maybe there are some issues that you are thinking of, and you are very confused. Maybe something that is holding you, and you are feeling a little tensed in some part of your body. You are upside down. The card shows upside down, means that there is a lot of confusion happening in your mind for particular reasons. So because of that, maybe there is some kind of you're feeling like a cage, or some kind of your body parts are not feeling okay. Your maybe your shoulders, maybe your legs, there is some issue today with your health. You need to let go of this the thought that you have held for such a long time, which is giving you this kind of an issue with your body. So let go of this, and everything around you will be okay. Just submit yourself and say, yes, things will be fine. What is it that is holding me back to understand what I am going through? Maybe there is some problem with your neck, shoulders, or your knee. You are not actually understanding what the issue is. So a suggestion that you need to just sit, be mindful, understand, and let that thought go of fear or anxiety. As I always say, you are a prisoner of what you think. So think right, think straight. Your body also needs to heal accordingly. So yes, all these cards show a lot of things here. Again, I will show you the cards. King of Sword. Focus on the situation that you are in today. Take decisions with a lot of truth and integrity involved in it. Do not shirk people who come up to you to give advices. Listen to them, but yes, also at the same time, put in your opinion. So this is the King of Swords. Then the love again comes with Six of Cups. Very good harmony in relationships. Good card for relationships today. Everything that we want in our relationship today would be we will be able to achieve. Go ahead. Go to your partner, go to your spouse, or go to some your friend who you really want to make up to. Go to the person, and if you just speak with love and try and resolve the issues, today is a great day to do that. So relationships are going to be very, very nice today. So yes, go ahead, get your relationships and get that harmony in yourself because of the relationships. You know, sometimes what happens is, because we have our personal life is a little disturbed, somewhere our entire life becomes, or our entire, journey of life is not okay. We feel claustrophobic, and we get irritated, and it's playing in the back of our mind ki this person, why is he behaving like that, why does she behave like that. So go today, go and say sorry. If you have to do it, go and make up and release that energy. So that energy, what you release today, will be good for you, good for the opposite person, and life will be beautiful. So yes, relationship card is very nice. Go and give some flowers, maybe wear a yellow color, and it will help you uh, in your relationships. Today I took out the card which was for finance, is Ace of Wands. As I told you before, Ace of Wands, again I am repeating, is a very good card for our finances. Things are looking up, things are looking positive. Do not worry, finances will fall in place. Look at your balance sheets, look at your investments, look at the way you spend money, and maybe make a note of it. And once you know what is happening in your finance, you will be sorted. Things are going to look up. So please stay positive. Very good card, and finances will be good. Um, then I had pulled out this card for our health, which is the Hanged Man. Again, release the energies that are binding you, making you stiff in your body, maybe some kind of knee pain, neck pain, shoulder pain. Release it and you will be fine. So all these cards are cards for today. Please stay with them, understand each card, and think about where you are stuck. What is it that is not letting you grow? What is it that is keeping you in this situation? And I am sure things will work out for you. So friends, these are our cards for today. Have a wonderful day. Love you all, and God bless.